To remove the power supply, first remove the access panel and the fan duct. Swing up the drives cage. Detach all power supply connectors to the motherboard. Note that the motherboard connectors have a latch that must be pressed to release the connectors. Free the power supply connectors from the cable guide near the power supply. Detach the 3 Torx 15 screws that connect the power supply to the PC. Press the latch at the inside edge of the power supply in the unit and slide the power supply into the PC before fully removing it from the unit. There is a slot on the side of the power supply that slides over a large tab on the side wall of the chassis. To replace the power supply, align the power supply slot slightly behind the chassis tab, then slide the power supply back until it locks into place next to the latch. Reattach the 3 Torx 15 screws at the rear of the chassis. Secure the power connectors into the cable guide on the bottom chassis wall. Reconnect all power connectors to the motherboard. Swing the drives cage back down.